you let it break you, or will you defy it? Ultimate Careful Defiance, new from Cruiser. Condition for greater.
Jocelyn, anong trabaho ng tatay mo?
Marami.
Ah, shoot!